Hi guys, today I am gonna show you how to enable or disable always boot to advanced startup settings in Windows 10. Enable advanced startup settings. We do this to be able to start your computer from startup menu and save your data if you have any issue or from any other reasons. I have tested this command with legacy BIOS and UEFI BIOS and it worked out successfully. As long as Microsoft don't remove this command, you can use all life. To activate advanced startup settings, open CMD as administrator, then type this command. Space 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 space, press enter. The operation completes successfully. Restart your computer. Every time you restart your computer, this screen will come. Press enter key and exit. You can click on F10 key for other options. You can start your computer by using the option from 1 to 9 and you can save your data. For example, you can go to save mode to solve the issue and save your data. To return operating system, press enter key. If you want to remove advanced startup settings, open CMD as administrator, then type this command. Space 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 press enter. The operation completed successfully. When you restart your computer, advanced startup settings will not come up. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. To be able to watch my next video, click on subscribe and open for the notifications. Hope to see you in our next video.